Because if you guys guess the YouTuber that I'm about to go see tomorrow, you guys are the real MVP. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night from whatever time zone you in. You dig? You know, say it. Say it. Blah. Hey. My daughter being crybaby right now. Today's the day we go get red car. Are we getting a red car? Enas, are you gonna get red car? You're gonna get the red car? What? Oh my God! So yeah, today we're gonna be buying a car. And also, tomorrow, when this vlog goes up tomorrow, I'm gonna be seeing your favorite YouTuber. What? Ice cream. One of my favorite YouTubers. I'm gonna go see him in Chicago. There goes the hint. Tomorrow I'm going to Chicago. If you can guess which YouTuber that I'm going to meet and go to their show and see them, and you know what I mean, meet them, let me know in the comments below. Because because if you guys guess the YouTuber that I'm about to go see tomorrow, you guys are the real MVP. I swear to God, if you guys guess it, whoever guesses which YouTuber I'm going to see tomorrow, you guys are the real MVP. You dig? So with that being said, man, we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna go buy our new vehicle. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is yet, so you just gonna have to sit and chill. See you on the next. PRAA. Hit it. Woo! Mahash. Alright, see you guys on the next shot. Finally, we're at Toyota. We're gonna pick it up. Enas, say hi.
Hi.
What are we gonna get?
Red car.
Red car. She said red car, so we gonna get in. It's a red car. You like it? Hold on. Hug it, hug it, hug it, hug the car. There you go. Thanks, man.
Ready to go and everything?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, nice to see you. Hey, welcome back. How are you? It's a kid. Hey, what's going on?
Give him a handshake.
Car?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's ready for a new car
ready.
too.
Yeah, she's red car. She said red car, red car.
Red car, red car.
You
yeah,
ready?
Man.
Yeah?
That's awesome.
All
Well,
right.
welcome back, dude.
Appreciate it.
Your vehicle's ready to go. Let me just go ahead and show it to you.
Alright, let's go.
Let's take a look at it, man. Looks amazing, dude.
I know.
Yeah, you're gonna be rocking it in that car. Hey, remember some tinted windows, man.
Yeah, definitely. I got to get some tints on this car.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So people can mind their business.
Yeah, welcome back, man.
Appreciate it,
can I offer
man.
you a bottle of water or something? You guys good?
Yeah,
you're
we good.
Okay,
Yeah.
Well, you know where the cookies and all the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's exciting.
Man,
It's an exciting day for me.
Exciting day for you, man.
And for you too, man.
Me too. Me too. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
There we go.
We're in there.
Yeah. So there you go, man.
Here it goes.
looks
Here it
amazing,
goes.
man.
You guys ready? Here it
amazing,
goes.
bro.
Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on. Ooh.
It's a good looking car, man. Pretty sharp looking. Yep. I think you did right. You know, I'm going with the Etsy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go hug it, Enas. Hug it.
Hug it? That's really funny. All right. That's it. Now it's yours. It's your new vehicle. You guys are gonna be very happy. You know?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, man.
We're
Well,
in
welcome
there.
back. I do have my orientation specialist that is
Okay.
a person in charge to go through the warranties and free
Okay.
maintenance with you. Also, they're gonna give you a quick tutorial
Yeah.
of your vehicle.
Yeah.
And then after we get done with that, finance manager will take you in, you sign the paperwork, and you're set to go.
All right.
Just
We
give me
in
1
there.
second. I'm
No
right back,
problem.
okay?
Thanks.
Yeah, welcome back. Yep.
Appreciate you. So we in there. I don't know why this touch is not working right now. But boom, this is the car. Okay, sweetie, hold on. Yeah, خليها. This is the whip right here. This is it. I'm taking this at the lot. Look at all these cars. All these cars are sold. Every car that has yellow slip is sold. Look, Toyota be selling. Look at all that. Dang, they be selling cars, man. Toyota, they be selling cars. I could have went with like another red car. Yeah, I could have went with like a Benz, a Beamer, a used one. Look, it's got my name on it and everything. I could have went with that used one, but I'm like, nah. My guy told me nah. My mom told me nah. Don't do that. You paying for the name. Get a liable, gas, good car, family sedan, and this is it. My daughter's happy. I'm happy. Everybody happy. This bad boy look too clean. Too clean. Yes. So, all right. So we gonna go through all this. I'll see you guys on the next shot. All right. All this boring stuff that is gonna take a long clip if I record everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next shot. This is boring. All right. Let's go. Thank you.
Anytime.
Appreciate
You're welcome back as many times as you
Thank
want.
you so much.
Very good. Hey, how you doing? All right, man. Let's go ahead and make some noise.
Now let's go. We'll make some noise. Enas, you gonna make some noise? You don't like making noise. All right, let's get it.
There you go.
Here it is. Here it is. Yeah.
That's it. You gotta hit it hard, though, okay?
I gotta hit it hard.
You gotta hit it hard, man.
Enas, come on. Come on.
You betcha.
Yes.
Hit it hard. Hit it hard. Woo! Yeah. One more time. One more time.
Little grand. You don't want to hit it?
Now you gotta hit it.
All right, I'll hit it. Here we go. Come in.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right, man. Well,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You bet. If Bobby was ever busy, I can try and fill in, but I showed you how everything works. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You betcha.
Enas being a brat. But here we go. This is the new whip. The new whip. We in there. Ooh, hold on. Boys, too fresh. Too fresh. Let's go. I'm about to go pick up my friend right now. Show him the car, you know what I mean. Sandy. My right hand man, Sandman, man. My best friend right here. This is my best friend, Sandman. I'm about to pick him up, show him the whip. Relax, you know what I mean. Chill with him for a bit. I just dropped Nadia and Enas off at home. Nadia's gonna be cleaning her car and stuff like that. My mom's doing cleaning the crib and stuff, so I just dipped out to go chill with the homie real quick on this beautiful nice day. A brand new car, man. This car's gotta be out there. So I'll see you guys when I get with Sandman. You heard?
What's the deal?
Hey. How you like the car, man?
Boy, nice, bro.
You lying.
Get like you.
You lie. I should have bought a Beamer, bro.
Nah.
I should have bought a used Beamer,
You
bro.
gotta stick with that Camry, the Toyota joint.
Are you sure?
Brand new.
I could have bought a 2014 used Benz. Why?
No, bro, you don't want to do that. They cost too much money.
But it's the same price.
No, but it costs too much money, man. The repairs, everything. To maintain them, it costs too much. Man.
This is a 2017. I could have got the same price, a Beamer, for the same price, but it would have been a 2013.
Nah, that wouldn't be worth it.
It wouldn't be worth it?
New. Unless you're getting it new.
No, it had 40,000 miles on.
I mean, that ain't bad, but nah, they still too costly. If something go wrong with it, man, you finna come out your pocket.
You're
Versus
right.
these good cars, they gonna last a long time.
Yeah, Toyota's last a long time, man. I guess I made a smart decision.
Yeah,
I made a smart investment.
I like like me. That's the investment I should have made.
Yeah, not like you and bro.
Yeah, I was.
You could instead of you buying that Beamer, you could have just got one off the truck.
Yeah, could have, man. I've been thinking about that nonstop. I could have got like a brand new
Camry.
Camry or something.
Yeah, off the truck.
Yeah.
Ain't no ass been sitting on here.
Only 112 miles, huh?
Yeah, I pushed it.
Yeah, you been rolling around, huh? Yeah, I do too.
Man, it's the sunshine. Everybody got their Corvettes out, so I had to pull up my Toyota with that hot pink red pearl.
Red Pearl, that's the name of the color?
Yeah.
It's clean, bro.
It is clean with the rims and stuff, man.
I like these seats though with that suede on
With
there.
suede, man. You see that?
Suede and leather with the red stitching. That's clean,
Yeah.
bro.
With the heated front seats. Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. I'm happy with it. Yes, sir. Tomorrow I'm about to take it to Chicago. Then the next day I'm going to Minneapolis.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So, for this YouTuber. So I want you guys to guess who the YouTuber is in the comments below. Like I say, if you get it, you're the real MVP. Dang, it got dark quick. We at Applebee's. Yeah, I know. We at Applebee's. We was at Sprint. In the phone, I forgot to take my vlog camera in there. We went to Macy's. I forgot to take my vlog camera in there. But yeah. We in there though.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. We just got a lot of food. We got a lot of food. Since I got this new car, my mom's been bothering me a lot. She's been getting mad at me for no reason. I really don't know why. She thinks I'm out here with my friends just rolling around and just, you know what I mean, messing the car up and stuff. But little does she know that I parked my car at home and I'm with my friend. Dandy, he driving the Beamer thing. His Beamer is better than my car, and my car is 2017. But he'll tell you no. But hey, it's all about the name. I don't care what year you have, but if you got a BMW or Mercedes Benz or Ferraris, Corvettes, Porsches, Bentleys, whatever year it is, boy, you're riding good. But
It gotta be 2010 or up.
2010 or up, huh?
Nah, I bet it gotta be in the 2000s.
Oh.
You can't be riding no old one.
We ordered a lot of food though. Didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
We ordered a hell of food.
You better eat it, cause you gonna eat more than me, man.
I'ma take it to go if I don't eat it all. I gotta take it to go. So I'm gonna see you guys when all the food comes here. They're about to start us with an appetizer, and then after the appetizer, then we get the food. Man, and why does every waitress say, I'd be like, what, is this good? They'd be like, that's my favorite.
They gotta do that to sell.
To sell, bro. She sold me. That's my favorite. Wow, I got it. That's smart. Then I started second guessing myself. Is it really her favorite?
These the appetizers.
This the appetizers?
Got some wings, some mozzarella sticks. What's that, quesadillas?
Yeah.
You eat those?
Yeah.
Some chips.
Chips and salsa. All right. I'm about to bang. Pretty good. That's pretty good.
What's that?
Guac.
You like it?
This is shrimp, fried rice. I think, what is it? Sam, stir fry, salmon, ketchup, empty.
That was theirs. I got it from another table.
He finna go get some ketchup from another table. He getting a chicken sandwich with fries. As you can see, we banged the appetizer. I'm about to bang this food. I'm about to bang this food and call it a night. You know what I mean? I gotta drive to Chicago in the morning. I still gotta edit this vlog. I'm going to see a YouTuber tomorrow. If you can guess which YouTuber you are, the real MVP. You know what I mean? I'm gonna bang this food. I'm gonna go and edit the vlog, and then tomorrow I gotta wake up early and head to Chicago. My battery's about to die too. So with that being said, good morning, good afternoon, and good night from whatever time zone you in. You dig.
That.
Please. What's the pink? The rice is from Harry Potter world. Try a little bit of this sauce.